Guys, look, you forgot to record my intro and I already like washed off half my makeup, but anyways, I'm showing you guys a quick little 5-minute quick light beat for summer. Essentially, let's get into it. Before I started, I went in with the Cosrx sunscreen. I love this sunscreen so much. Then I went in with the e.l.f. brow lift. I put a little bit more than intended this time, so you can see that has kind of more of a soap brow effect. When you're in a rush and you're someone who likes to curl your eyelashes twice like me, I do the mascara pretty early on in my routine so that by the end they'll be dry and I'll be able to recurl them without losing any eyelashes. I have to get really up close and personal with the mirror, so just ignore that. For the e.l.f. Halo Glow, it's pretty much as much pigment as you want is how much you use. I try not to use too much because I feel like the more I put, sometimes it doesn't work out that well. I don't like to put any products on my forehead, so I just put what's left over. Since it's a lighter look and me and concealer don't get on that well, I just put a really small amount under my eyes and where I have hyperpigmentation. While I let it cook a little bit for some more pigment, I went in with the Wet n Wild stick. I love stick products for a quick look. It's really fun, but since I only had a little bit and also it's like a sanitary thing, I just used a brush and now I'm blending in the concealer. Speaking of stick products, I just used this NYX Wonder Cream thing for the first time like the day before this, and it is so fun. And I think this is like closer to a contour than a lot of the other ones because I feel people be using really warm ones and this one feels more towards cool or neutral. It's really important to take off any moisture that you have on your lips before you go in with lip liner so that you can get the precision that you want. Then you can top it off with any clear or colored gloss you want. This is the Hermine Lip Oil. And now that it's been approximately 5 minutes, you can recurl your eyelashes without any damage and it looks so much better. And here's some proof that it really was about 5 minutes. My sister also had this e.l.f. liquid blush that I really wanted to try, so here's me trying it out after, and I really like it. It's a bit of a muddy color, but I like it still.